Hello children, welcome to 5th standard English. Now we are going to discuss about term 3 unit 2 we are one. What is the meaning of we are one? It means we are all human. See the picture. What does the girl say? The girl says that I want peace for all in the world. Do you?
Yes, I want peace.
Now we are going to see about prose, the cracked coffee cup. Before going to the lesson, let us see
My little Pictionary.
the first picture. Wag, that is verb. What is the meaning of wag? Fast movement of the tail to and fro. Let us see next picture. Pet. Pet is a noun. What is the meaning of pet? An animal raised as a friend or family. Let us see the next picture. Sink. Sink is a noun. What is the meaning of sink? A fixed basin with a tap for water. Let us see the next picture. Crack. Crack is a verb. What is the meaning of crack? Break or cause to break without completely separated parts. See the next picture. Garbage. Garbage is a noun. What is the meaning of garbage? It means rubbish or waste. Let's see the lesson. What is the title of the lesson? The cracked coffee cup. What is the meaning of cracked? Cracked means broken partially without falling to pieces. Now see the first paragraph. Kani was waiting for her parents to return from work. She was eager to talk to her parents about her day at school. What is the meaning of eager? Eager means interest. What is the meaning of day at school? That means how she spent time at school. Suddenly, Teddy the dog ran to the gate with his favorite pillow. What is the meaning of suddenly? Suddenly means unexpectedly. What is the meaning of favorite? Favorite means like more. Connie was at home with her dog. Its name was Teddy. She was waiting for her parents and wants to talk about her spend time in school. Unexpectedly, the dog ran to the gate. Teddy, where are you running? Asked Connie. So, Connie asked Teddy, where are you running? See the next paragraph. Connie ran after Teddy to see where he was going. Ran after means ran behind. Connie's parents were at the gate. Teddy was so happy to see them and he took his pillow as a sign of welcoming them. What is the meaning of pillow?
Pillow means small cushion for head when one sleeps. What is the meaning of welcoming? Welcoming means inviting. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail and followed them until they pet him. Wagging means to shake up. Then Kani did not wait for a moment. Moment means a very short time and started talking about her day to her parents. Again, I say the meanings of some words. Ran after, ran behind, took, past tense of take. Now I say the three form of tenses take, took, taken. A sign of, a symbol of, welcoming, inviting, followed, went after, pet, fondle, a moment, very short time.
When her parents returned home, Teddy ran to them, taking his pillow as a sign of welcoming them from the office. If dog sees someone favorite person, it is wagging its tail. He would not stop wagging his tail until they patted him. Now, Kani started and talking with her parents about day at the school. Let's move. It was a Saturday morning at 9 a.m. While Kani was painting, Teddy again ran to the gate with his pillow. Teddy, parents are here and where are you running again? Asked Kani. It was 9 a.m. on Saturday. Once again, Teddy ran to the gate with the pillow. Kani asked the Teddy, our parents are here and where are you running again? Let's see the next paragraph. Kani again ran after him. Ran after means ran behind. This time it was Selvi, the house helper at the gate. What is the meaning of house helper? It means a man or woman who helps at home. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail and followed her until she pet him. What is the meaning of pet? Pet means fondle. Selvi then started cleaning the house and every time she walked near Teddy. Started means began. He would wag his tail. Kani walked into the kitchen where Selvi was cleaning the vessel. What is the meaning of vessels? It means kitchen utensils. Near the kitchen sink, Kani saw an old cracked cup with coffee in it. After finishing all the work at home, Selvi drank the coffee. What is the meaning of finishing? Finishing means completing. This time it was Selvi. She was the house helper. As usual, the dog wagged his tail at Selvi. He continued it until Selvi patted him. Kani walked into the kitchen. She saw coffee kept for Selvi in a cracked cup. After completing her work, Selvi drank coffee. At around 12 p.m., while Kani and Teddy were in the garden, she heard someone whistling. What is the meaning of whistling? Whistling means making the whistle sound. Teddy again ran to the gate with his pillow. Now I say the meaning. At noon, while Kani and Teddy were in the garden, at the time they heard whistling sound. Again the dog ran to the door with his pillow. See the next paragraph. Teddy, Selvi Akka left an hour ago. Ago means before. And where are you running again? Asked Kani. Now, Kani asked Teddy, Selvi Akka left an hour ago. And again, where are you running? Let's move. Kani again ran after him. This time means now. It was Muthu. Muthu collects garbage. Garbage means waste from every house. Collect means gather. Teddy would not stop wagging his tail until Muthu pet him. Kani ran to the kitchen to pick up the garbage bag. Pick up means take. This time there was Muthu and he had come there to collect garbage. Teddy wagged his tail at him. Let's move. Kani, will you eat these sweets? There are only 2 left and it is getting old, asked Kani's mom. Getting old means becoming old. Mom means mother. Kani's mother asked her, will you eat these sweets? No, I won't eat, replied Kani. Replied means answered. There is also some leftover rice. Leftover means extra. Leftover rice means rice that remaining in the pot after everyone has eaten. From yesterday, I will pack both the sweets and rice. We can give it to Muthu, said Kani's mom. Kani drops off the garbage and gave Muthu the leftover food. Drops off means put down. Kani answered that, no, I won't eat. Kani put down the waste and Kani's mother gave his some sweets and leftover food. Let's see the paragraph. After an hour, Kani's father prepared Kani's favorite biryani. Prepared means made. Kani's family sat to have lunch. Lunch means midday meal. We are having guests at home, Kani said her mom. Guest means people who come to our house from outside for a short stay. Who is coming? Asked Kani. Rani auntie and her 2-year-old son Anbu are coming from America, replied her mom. After an hour, her father prepared biryani, that is Kani's favorite food. When they had lunch, at the time Kani's mother told her about the arrival of Rani auntie and her son Anbu to their house. I am very excited. Excited means great pleasure to play with Anbu. At what time are they coming? Around 5 p.m. replied her mom. Before they come home, you take Teddy for a walk, okay? Said Kani's father. Sure, said Kani. Sure means certainly. After a few hours of nap, nap means a short sleep during daytime, Kani parents started preparing dinner for Rani auntie. Dinner means main meal of the day. Kani's mom took the new dinner plates, cups and spoons from the cupboard and cleansed them. Cupboard means shelf. Kani was happy to hear this. Kani's mother took the new plates, cups and spoons from the cupboard. She cleaned them and prepared dinner for the guests. See, Kani took Teddy out for a walk. While crossing a provision store. What is the meaning of provision store? A shop which sells groceries. At the end of the street, Teddy suddenly started running. Teddy, why are you running again? Asked Kani. Kani ran with Teddy while holding his leash very tightly. What is the meaning of leash? Leash means cord for leading a dog. What is the meaning of tightly? Tightly means fixedly and strongly. In the evening, Kani took Teddy out for a walk. Suddenly, the dog started running when they went near the provision store. Now, Kani asked Teddy, why are you running again? Let's move. This time, it was summer. The provision shop owner who was standing outside the shop. Teddy ran to him and would not stop wagging his tail until Amar pet him. There was a dog lying outside. Lying means remaining flat on the ground outside the shop. Kani remembered how some people would throw stones at this dog. While she was thinking about it, Teddy started playing with the dog. Kani pet the other dog. This time the shop owner Amar was standing there and Teddy ran to him. Amar patted the dog. Let's move. After a few minutes, Teddy and Kani started walking into the next street. Teddy started running again. Oh no, Teddy, not again. Why are you running again? Who was it now? Said Kani. On the way, Teddy started playing with a street dog. After they started to walk into the next street, suddenly Teddy started running again. Kani asked the dog, again, why are you running? Who was it now? Let's move next paragraph. This time it was Mary. She was a different abled person who sells candles outside the church. Different abled means a person who is physically disabled. Teddy ran to her and would not stop wagging his tail until she pet him. They continued walking. Teddy and Connie finally reached home. Finally means in the end. And were ready to welcome guests. Welcome means invite. Connie's family had a great time with Ronnie auntie and her son. Had a great time means spend the time happily. After a long day, they all went to sleep. Now it ran to Mary. She is a different abled person and started wagging his tail. Mary began to pat the dog. They came home in the end. Connie's family had a great time with the guests. Let's move next paragraph. Connie was sleeping and suddenly saw flashes of the broken coffee cup. Flashes means sudden burst of bright light. Leftover food. Leftover food means extra food. The street dog getting hit by stones in her dream. Hit means attack. Connie woke up very disturbed. Woke up means got up from sleep. Disturbed means troubled. She looked around. She drank water and went back to sleep. After a while, Connie saw flashes of Teddy playing with Mary, Muthu and Anbu. Connie woke up again, but this time with tears filled in her eyes. At night, Connie was sleeping. She saw flashes of things she saw during the day, that is, the broken coffee cup, leftover food, the street dog, etc. She saw flashes of Teddy playing with Mary, Muthu, and Anbu. Her eyes were filled with tears. Let's move. She realized how Teddy was compassionate and how he loved everyone equally. Realized means understood. Compassionate means having sympathy. Equally means as if they were equal. At that moment, Connie decided that she will also treat everyone equally with love and respect. She hugged Teddy and kissed him. Hugged means embraced. Teddy wagged his tail and both went back to sleep. The dog was compassionate. He treated everyone equally. He had love and respect for everyone. Connie hugged the dog and kissed him. Let's see last paragraph. Connie narrated the entire dream to her parents. Narrated means told in detail. Entire means full. Connie parents did not say a word and remained very quiet. Remained very quiet means stayed calm. The same day at 9 a.m., Teddy ran to the gate with his pillow. It was Selvi again. Selvi started doing her routine of cleaning dishes. Routine means regular work. Connie walked into the kitchen to see a new coffee cup on the counter. Counter means flat surface. Connie smiled and walked back to the room with a renewed hope. Renewed means made new again. In the morning, Connie narrated her dream to her parents. They listened to her patiently. They did not utter a word. At 9 a.m., Connie walked into the kitchen. There was new coffee cup on the counter for Selvi. Connie smiled with joy. So, children, can you understand what is the moral of this story? We have to treat all in equal manner. Thank you, children.